I'm going to teach you how to say hello and goodbye and some useful daily expressions in Portuguese. Hello everybody, welcome to Learn Portuguese. My name is Pedro and today we're going to be talking about daily expressions in Portuguese. This is a series of many videos, so if you like it and if you want to see more content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, leave a comment below, tell me what you think about the series, and if you have any suggestions, just let me know. So without further ado, let's begin. The first expression we can see today is Oi. Oi. Hi. Oi. Olá. Olá. Hello. Olá. Oi and olá are both used in informal conversations with your friends, and you can talk. It's a very general couple of words and you can use them anywhere, really. Bem-vindo. Bem-vindo. Welcome. Bem-vindo. Bem-vindos ao Learn Portuguese. Welcome to Learn Portuguese. Bom dia. Bom dia. Good morning. Bom dia. Here we can see that in the word dia, it's spelled D-I-A, but this D-I is not pronounced as D like you would in English. It's pronounced as G, as if it's a J-double-E. So, dia is spelled like that, but it's actually pronounced like that. Bom dia. Good morning. And I always tell people that the vowels I and E will be your troublemakers because they will change some of the consonant sounds that follows them. In this case, you have D-I and it sounds like G. And it happens the same way in our next word. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Boa tarde. Good afternoon. Now, I've been teaching Portuguese for a while, and in order to teach foreign students, I had to neutralize my accent. But where I come from, in Fortaleza, in there, people would pronounce boa tarde. See, boa tarde, boa tarde. Can you see the difference? So the difference is in the pronunciation of the consonant R. In the middle of a word, between a consonant and a consonant and a vowel, it is pronounced like that. In some parts of Brazil, especially São Paulo, it's pronounced like R. That's why they say boa tarde. And if you go to the countryside in São Paulo, you can even hear the same R as in English. So you can hear boa tarde, tarde. And that's how most of the foreigners, most of the English speakers generally say it, because it's closer to English. But in the vast majority of the country, it's pronounced like H, like an H. So you will hear boa tarde. The next one is boa noite. Boa noite. First of all, notice how I said bom dia for good morning, but I say boa tarde e boa noite. Do you wonder why I say bom and then boa? It's because in Portuguese, most of the nouns have a gender. For instance, dia is a masculine noun. Therefore, we have to use bom. Bom is the masculine version of good. On the other hand, boa, such as in boa tarde or boa noite, is a feminine version of bom because tarde and noite are both feminine nouns. That's why. Boa noite, good evening. Here, we can also see this TE at the end pronounced as she. As I said, E and I will be troublemakers for you. That's why we don't say boa noite, we say boa noite. And when I say we say it, I mean most of the country, because then again, in some places you can, especially in the south of the country, you can hear people saying boa noite. It's not common, but it's also valid. Alô. Alô. Hello. But that's how you say hello when you pick up the phone, for example. If someone calls you, that's how you should answer the phone. Alô. Fala. Fala actually means say it, but it can be used as a hello, especially when you come, it's very informal, however, when you come close to a friend and you can say fala, but it's generally the first A has a very long sound. That's why we say fala. For example, fala, meu querido. Tudo bem? Something like that. So this fala means hello, hi, in a way, something like that. There is another version, which is salve, but salve is mostly used in São Paulo. It's very regional. So instead of saying fala, they would say salve. The next one on the list, e aí? E aí? E aí? What's up? And the answer to that could be e aí as well. So in a conversation with someone, you can just say e aí, and the person can reply e aí, and that's it, end of conversation. And the last one, that especially happens when you haven't seen or haven't talked to the person in a long time. So whenever you see them, your first reaction is a shock. It's like, nossa, há quanto tempo? Nossa, wow, há quanto tempo? It's been such a long time. And this one, as I said before, is used when you don't see or when you haven't seen the person in a while. Alright, so now that we've learned how to say hello in Portuguese, how about we learn how to say goodbye? And the most common expression you can hear all the time, everywhere, is tchau. 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 Bye. And it sometimes may be followed by tenha bom dia. Tenha bom dia. That means have a good day. Then you could say tchau. Tenha bom dia. Bye. Have a good day. Or it depends on the time. You could say tenha uma boa tarde. Tenha uma boa noite. The first one means have a good afternoon. The second one means have a good night. As you may have noticed, in Portuguese we can use boa noite both as good evening and good night. There is no difference. The next one is a bit more dramatic. That is adeus. Adeus. Adeus means something like farewell. I'm saying goodbye to you, but I don't know when I'm going to see you again. Adeus. Até, that means until, and it generally comes followed by some other time expression. For example, até amanhã. That means until tomorrow. In other words, see you tomorrow. Até amanhã. Or you can say até logo. Até logo. See you soon. Or you can say até domingo. Até domingo. See you on Sunday, for example. Falou. Falou. Falou means goodbye, the same as ciao, but in a more informal way. While ciao can be used in all kinds of contexts, falou is more used when talking to a friend. So, falou, tô indo. I'm going. Falou, tô indo. And the last expression is se cuida. Se cuida. It means take care. Se cuida. So we can say in one long goodbye, tchau, até amanhã, se cuida. Bye, see you tomorrow, take care. So in today's video, we learned how to say hello and goodbye in Portuguese. What would you like to see next? Our second video is coming next week, so stay tuned for it. If you like the content, make sure to leave a like and leave a comment with what you would like to see next. And if you ever heard any expressions that you would like me to explain to you, please do let me know. So if you're not already, subscribe to our channel if you would like to see more Portuguese content. If you haven't yet, I'll leave a link in the description below to our Instagram page where you can see daily Portuguese tips, vocabulary, etc.